This video shows how to replace the latch lever on a Gen 2 ChargePoint J1772 connector. The Gen 2 is easily identifiable with a few details. The Gen 2, also called Type B, has kind of a black pin there. It doesn't have any drainage holes on the side, but it has a drainage hole right here at the bottom of the lever. Hopefully you can see that. So that's the Gen 2, or so-called Type B. In order to take this apart, we need to drive this pin out of its position. To do that, I'm going to use this kind of nail set pin. That's of the right diameter. You can probably use anything. And I've set a depth here of 1 1/8" that I want to drive this down. I'm going to support the J1772 connector on some wood here and use that to drive this down. Okay, I've driven that all the way down. You can kind of see here that the pin is coming out the right side, and I've got the tool on the left side. I'm going to pull the tool out, and then the lever comes up to the top along with the spring. Inside the connector, you can see there's a switch here, and then there's a hole to receive the spring. And in order to put the new lever in, you put the spring on the post inside the lever. This is the lever here. Put the spring on the post, and you guide that into the hole. So the lever's in position. You can use the tool you use to guide that, push that pin out, and then you can drive that pin right back in. With the pin all the way in and the spring in place, the lever works properly and it turns that switch on and off.